Okay, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you subscribe. And if you just checking out my video, subscribe to my channel, like my channel, and comment on my channel. I guess basically the comments today might be if I'm doing it right or not. Cause I'm not in no trade, but I'm basically trying to teach myself how to trade. And I'm not sure if I ain't saying I'm not sure if I'm doing it right. I'm going by off of YouTube University and stuff like this. So like I'm assuming that the day starts around 9:30 when you can start trading. I'm on a Weibo platform. So like today I started this line here, which I'm calling it my support line. Because in my eyes, this is where the support is. And so I drew this line here. And I drew a second line, which I guess I'm calling it my resistance line. And I'll get to this third line later. So if I'm looking to see, like, if I was to get into a trade today, like today is the 30th. So this is the first candle for April 30th at 9:35. So it started here. So this is where I put my resistance, and I'm considering this candle is a low high candle, and this is a low candle. If I'm wrong, please correct me in the comments. I think this is also a low, and this candle is above this one, so I'm assuming, sorry, let me get a little closer. This is a low high, this is a low candle, and this is another low candle, and this one here, I'm assuming is considered a high low. This is another high low because it hasn't hit over resistance, over the support line. And then so I'm looking like, if I was to get into a trade, it wouldn't be in any of these candles, it would be into this one, because this is the lowest candle, which is, assuming it's a low, and it's at $368.24. So I was saying to myself, if I was to get into a trade, I would buy here. And so if I buy here, obviously it start going up, and this is now, see, this is my resistance. Now this candle here, I'm considering a high candle, or a high candle, if that is correct, like I said correctly. And then this was another candle started here, which would be a high low. And then it started here, which is another high low, and it wound up running up high. So now this is my resistance line. So I know if I bought here, once it hit over my if I bought here, sorry, I'm looking at the computer, not my screen and my camera. So if I bought here, and it's just running up. So now once I bought here, I'm now going into the profit. And so now once it hits resistance, my support line, now I'm really good. It's like, here's a candle. Like I said, this is, I guess it's a high candle. And then this is it hit, here's a high. Then here come another candle, and I'm trading in the 5 minutes. And so this is what you consider, I'm assuming, a high low, which ran up to here, which hit over my restriction, my restriction line, if that's what it's called, I forgot. And then so here's another candle, which is a low high, and go to my resistance line. Now here's another candle. Now it breaks through my resistance line. That's why I created another resistance line. So which me is expecting this to hit through my resistance line. And I know everybody say it's emotion. So being that it's now breaking through my resistance line. So now I bought here, if I had bought here. I'm now making money because it's running up. Now here's another high candle. So it looks like it's about to break through my other resistance line. So as you look back, this is the highest it hit. And what date was that? April 28th. It hit all the way up to $382.29. So I could hit a draw line here, but I'm not. I know they say take the emotions out of it, which I feel as though I'm pretty much in control of my emotions, and I'm not a greedy person. But my main thing was to get into it and to get into a trade, and I'm trading Tesla, by the way. If I'm trading Tesla, I haven't put no money into this. I'm just trying to figure things out. And so basically, I know if I was to buy here, I know I'm in profit. I'm making money because it's running up. Depends how much money I put into it. So it looks like it's about to break through my other resistant line. So I think I might draw another resistant line. I might hit it here. If y'all think this is correct, I think I'm gonna hit that right there. I'm gonna slowly make these resistance lines. So this is my support. This is my first resistance line. This is my second resistance line. Looks like it's about to break through that. And then hopefully it hits this. I could say maybe if it goes through here, if it breaks through here, that's when I might start taking profit if I was to put money in. So I will wait to hit here because no matter what, I'm in a profit. If it drops back down to my first resistance line, then sorry, if it's already hit my second resistance line. If it breaks through this resistance line, I think if I put money in, I'm taking profit. Like I would let it hit up, and then I would take profit. But if it drops all the way down here, this is where I would take profit. Lower my risk of losing money, because I'm not gonna let it go all the way back down here, because it ain't get super low to like the 27th of April. So right now I'm making money. It depends how much money I put in there. So basically I'm just going through this journey. I'm about to start paper trading. I'm not jumping into things. I just started today just to see. I just figured out how to draw these lines and stuff like that. I'm kind of understanding candles a little, not to be like, for people to be like, oh, you don't know what you talk about, because I don't know what I'm talking about, but I'm understanding it. So, and also somebody can explain to me, like sometimes when I do just play around with the stocks and put some money in, let's say it's saying that the price is $68. When I buy with Weibo, it shows that I bought it at $66. So it's like I'm buying in the hole. Why does it do that? I'm trying to figure that out. Or how do I buy it? If I'm trying to buy it at 68, I should be able to buy it at 68, not 66. But that's one thing. So right now it's breaking through my second resistance line. It's hit to right here. So like I said, if it goes past this resistance line, then that's when I'm thinking about taking profit. If it keep rising, I will keep an eye on it. But once it goes past this, if it start dropping past this resistance line, I'm out. Once it drops, sorry if I keep repeating myself, because I'm looking at the computer screen, not my screen on my phone. So once it pass this resistance line, that's when I think about taking profit or whatever. Because even if I don't even see it hit this resistance, or even if it's slowly, say right now, here come a new candle. It's right at that resistance line. Let's see, right at this resistance. Sorry about how I'm filming this. But it's more so about what I'm talking about, because I want people to help me out. And if you comment on this, to give me some information, and if I don't respond, it's just because I don't know what you're talking about, because I'm new to it. Not that you don't know what you're talking about, but I just don't know what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna take your information and run with it, not just disregard it. But like this new candle is now a high-low candle, so it is dropping. So I'm gonna wait till the next candle, because right now, like I said, I'm still in profit, haven't hit this resistance. So if this candle drops, and the next candle goes up, I'ma still stay in the trade. And if this seems right, give me a thumbs up. So I see it. It's not, this where the, I guess the lower wick. So it's going here. So I'm assuming that the next candle that forms should go above this resistance again, and so it should hit thing, because this is a longer wick here. I guess it's an umbrella, if that's what it's called. All this terminology. I think somebody need to create a platform, like you created a platform for elementary kids, because that's how most people learn. A lot of people ain't on their right grade level. Somebody, every time you like, your kid is in the 10th grade, but they're reading on the 6th grade level, reading level. And that's just how it is, especially with these charts and learning how to do this. You might think you in the 12th grade, but you're really in the 6th grade. Okay, yeah. So now this is hitting over this resistance line. So hopefully this next candle, take it to this. Once it's done, then I will be out. So if I was to, like I said, if I was to have money in this, I think it might hit this resistance line that I just created. It might go higher, but I'm thinking this is where I'm gonna be out once it goes over this third resistant line, because it's breaking through the second resistant line. And I'm trading on the 5 minutes. You can also tell me, should I be trading? I know 1 minute ain't it right now. Yes, this is, I said I'm trading Tesla. If I'm trading, this is imagination trading, imagining trading. So it's running up a little. I know I like it though. It's interesting. It's challenging my mind, making me think. And that's one thing I do all the time. I think a lot. I think too much. And I was heard, I don't know if it's a rumor, it's some YouTuber where he's a trader. He wears glasses, white dude. He's saying like now they running something where you can start day trading with a $2,000 account, which before you needed 25,000. That's why I'm trying to really get into it, because I know I could come up with $2,000 real quick. Yep, here goes the next candle. Hopefully it should run up. Yep, it's running. I think it's running. Now it's about to hit this support. I don't know if I'm gonna make another support line. I might actually probably make this $380 support line. Not necessarily trying to hit it, but I'm just marking it, because right now it hit where I want to, where I would think about taking profit. So I'm would think about taking profit right here. So I'm just seeing what this next candle gonna run to. If it keeps running, I'm keeping my eye on it. Well, if I was to be trading money, I would keep my eye on it to see if it's going to hit over it, which is really running over it by some cents and stuff. So right now I will be in a good stance of I made money today. Because that's all, yep, it's running up over the thing. I don't know if it's gonna hit the $382 for the day, but who knows? But yeah, I say either by the next two candles is when I'm thinking about taking profit. Because right now, if it hits 380, I'm out. I'm out. If I was, this everything I'm saying, if I have money in it. And if people have any suggestions on where I should learn simple, basic teachings, leave it in the comments. I was thinking about Trade Academy, because it's like, it looks like it's face to face, and that's how I kind of learn better, face to face. But all these, I learned how to draw these lines today, these indicator lines or whatever today, and so, which I'm happy about that. So all these lines, I just learned how to draw today. And so one thing for sure, this don't seem boring to me, because when stuff starts seeming boring to me, I don't want to do it, and it's not going. I'm not going to enjoy it. So we're going to see. So if I would have bought here, I would have been in profit, because this was my what's that line called? Support line. So this is my first resistance line, second resistance line, my third. And so I'm now just going. And I guess this is called an upward trend, I'm assuming. Trying to learn these dialects. It's slang, let's call it, that's what it is, it's slang. So if the next three keep rising, then that's when I'm out on this 380. This line, I'm out. And once again, I said I'm trading in the 5 minutes. So I'm not trying to trade. Yeah, I am trading for money, but it's ever since I was younger, when I watched Trading Places with Eddie Murphy and Dan Aykroyd, I always wanted to learn how to trade. And so I just got a little bit more time on my hand. So that's why I just got on this Weeble app and just start playing around with it, drawing indication lines, trying to understand where to enter the trade. I think that's probably the hardest thing, is trying to figure out when to enter a trade. And I'm assuming this support line helps you get into a trade, which I feel as though I'm right. This is where you enter the trade, right here. Because if I enter the trade here, now I'm just running, up. And here go another candle. And if this candle hits up, then I'm gonna wait for the probably one or two more, and then I'm gonna be out. Well, a decision to be out. So right now, it's like a hollow candle. So right now, it's probably gonna go all the way down to this resistance line. And if this hit the resistance line, another candle don't start riding, because I know probably by the time this hit the resistance line, another candle going form. And I'm not sweating if it goes below here, because like I said, the emotion is people probably get mad and be like, oh, I lost money, I should have bought out here. No, I still made money from right here. I made money, so I should be good. So this is, I'm assuming, the emotion of, oh, I should have got out. Nah. So right here is about to hit this resistance line. So look, it looks like it's going below that line. See what it's gonna do. Okay, it's going up. Got a longer umbrella stick, if that's it. See the next candlestick, see where it goes, and I'm out. Yeah, because I predict once it hit that resistance line, another stick probably always going below it. That was a low, high low. Ooh, come on now. But I'm gonna end this video here and see where it goes. All right, like I said, like the video, comment on the video, and subscribe.